So we arrived at Kefalonia, and it's very mountainous. Didn't expect it to be so high and so rugged. Gyros and souvlaki, the real Greek food. So I'm here on Kefalonia. Couple of boats, catamaran. Yeah, this is really nice with the sun. I can feel the colors. The road is nice. It's a good road. Again, we need the sun for the colors, but hey, I like Kefalonia. I actually like it way more than Corfu. Corfu was nice, just a couple nice places that, like, you would say, like really nice. This Kefalonia I kind of like, maybe because it's like more rocky. So that gyros was pretty good, and actually I figure, so I paid for that, I think 12 euros, which was on the expensive side. Yesterday I paid for the same, I paid 9 euros. And I think it's cheaper than buying stuff in a shop. And that's all I have eaten today. And then in the shop I just bought a kefir and some local candy. It's gonna be for dinner. So I like stuff like this. But yeah, I can feel how this is busy in summer. And I would love to come here with a sailboat. Because you have these bars on one side, boats on the other side, people walking. Atmosphere is just nice here. It's just nice. Is this the road? I have AirPods in my ears and then navigation on the phone. So basically, I'm just listening to the navigation. Oh, look at those mountains. That's gonna be a hell of a view. And show you, oh, look at this valley and the mountain. Oh, I like this island. This island is so much different than Corfu. It's just totally different island. Wow. I mean, very similar, but it's different. Not bad at all. Yeah, this should be a nice view. Oh, there's still a little bit of sun. Oh yeah, that's a nice valley. Oh, this has to be a popular viewpoint. All the locals are here. Oh, there's full of shit on the road. That sucks. Easy to slip. I fell on a shit. Doesn't sound cool. Oh, this is cool. So down there, this is the harbor. I was down earlier. Nicely protected. Nice windy road there along the coast. Wow. And this doesn't look like a normal Greece, like normal Greek island. See how green it is. That's pretty cool. And then usually one side is green, the other one is not. But then again in Greece, because you have winds from all the sides, it's probably green everywhere. Oh, maybe let's do a tour, huh? That's a nice old village. Oh, that's a nice village. Yeah, so people would build houses on top like this one, so they would stay more protected from the pirates. Oh, that's pretty steep here. Let's give it a try here. You would think, yeah, people want to be close to the sea so they can swim, easier to fish. Okay. Hello, kitty. I'm just afraid. Oh, this is so steep. I'm just afraid my tires are not gonna hold. Oh, this is really, really. It's green, it's wet. Well, this has to be one of the best roads I've ridden on this trip. I imagine this with the sun. Oh, look at this. Ithaca Island. Mainland. And now that is Leucas, all the way behind. It's a little bit slippery road. Moisture is falling. There's so much moisture during the night. Left, right, left, right, left. There's so many breathtaking views. It's just unreal. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's some cows and sheep down there. This is a great island. Just perfect. Oh, this is a nice place. I googled, what to see in Kefalonia, and they said Fiscardes is definitely on the list. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Imagine this in summer when it's like all the vibes. Just a sleepy village now. But it's so nice and clean, and oh, many boats would come here, just charter boats. Where is everybody? It's like a ghost town. There's like not a single person. Okay, there's one. There's one kid. But that's it. Good morning from Kefalonia. This island is great. I just love it. Actually, down there, this is the same island, just a big bay. So today I'm gonna go around there and around the rest of the island. And it's, it's beautiful. I love it. It's very rocky, hilly. Oh, let's see Kefalonia. That's a sleepy village. And that's the thing here in Greece, not everywhere you're gonna get internet. So I should take some screenshots earlier. Yeah, that's the main road. What a beautiful views. So is it left or right? What? Greece. So this is a small island kind of connected, and this is the super famous village I remember reading, so I'm gonna visit this. What a spectacular view. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, look at that street. It goes tick up. Oh wow, nice. Nice. Thank you for a good cheese and good milk and good kefir you make. Yeah, these are good cows. This is what I call a grass-fed cow, natural. There is this road that's going up. Oh, there's more cattle. Beautiful. Well, I guess it has to be a nice view. Let's give it a try. So these turns, they're so slippery. Oh, these are not olives. That's shit. But the view is gonna be breathtaking. Oh, just beautiful. So I'm gonna descend down there to that village now. See what's going on. So I came from there. Thank you for the good sheep and milk you give. Don't be afraid, I'm not gonna eat you. Oh, it's nice up here. Look at this. Totally different here. Look at the vegetation. It actually almost looks like volcanic, but this is vegetation, it's not rock. Yeah, and these are not volcanic islands. That's all tectonic. Oh, but this is nice up here. See the grass? All eaten by these goats. Oh, I'm so sorry. I guess they like because the concrete warms up. But yeah, let's go back to work. Let's eat grass. Let's produce milk. Big flat valley, plateau. Wonderful. So it was worth coming up here. And now I'm going down the road. Just spectacular. Spectacular. Just look at this. More goats. There's goats everywhere. That's good. What a nice valley. I made it down to the valley now. Oh, look at the fruits. It's such a nice, fresh and green valley. This is a nice view down here. Oh, mamma mia. Wow. Look at the beach down there. Fantastic. So now I descend down to Assos. Another beautiful view here. Now let's visit this village. Oh, nice. Food, music and cocktails. What else do you want? Okay, this one's for sale. Okay, so now what? Okay, see there's a... I don't want you to go in here. There's a nice catamaran. Oh no, you cannot go to the castle. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Well, I could walk. This is really, really nice. Oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, this is nice. Imagine in summer with all the vibes. And I haven't seen a single soul in here on this town yet. Okay, this is the only one, the fisherman. This is a nice bay. Nicely protected. Sun Reef catamaran. Yeah, this is the second beautiful village in Kefalonia, and I hardly started. Yeah, this was just beautiful. I've said Kefalonia is known for really nice beaches now. Look at this. This is, there's a nice road going down. Wow. Beautiful open road. And there's no shit on this one. That's interesting. I can drive a little bit faster. But still, there's lots of sand and stuff. Now there should be this view on this beach down there. Another nice beach down there. Nice cliffs. Totally different, way lower. Rent a scooter, go around. This is a big island, so you either want to have a proper motorbike or, I mean, a small car. It's basically like coming to a new island. Wow. I did prefer the mountains. Ferry to Argostoli. Where's that? Ferry to Argostoli. I'm now descending down to Petani Bay, so Petani Beach. Seems like it's something very nice and popular. Nice twisty road to get down there. Okay, this is the view I was waiting for. Nice. Okay, this is nice. Beautiful. Just gotta take it easy. Oh, even better view. Nice. Yeah, that's it. This is, wow. That's a nice place. Bike still doing really well. I love this bike. And this back system is just perfect. It's just no problem. And I have a good backrest, so when I'm sitting, I put my back here, so it's like a big sofa. I just love this. And there's gonna be a bigger city and marina, and seems like there's kind of a regatta going on. And there's a good gyros place. I'll probably come back there. That's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a Sunday regatta. Beautiful breeze, not much waves. That's a nice lighthouse. It's not bad at all. So found a great spot next to the gyros. And I just love this system, you see. I just lock my helmet. It's not like nobody can steal it, but they have to try really hard. Almost forgot to film this, but this is the best gyros in Slovakia I had so far. So good, so good. Ah, quite nice here. Look at the rocks. Not bad at all. Ah, it's a nice marina. No village nearby. But I guess you can leave your boat here during the winter. Ah, that's a proper mountain. So, theoretically, the ferry should come here 6 o'clock. Question is, oh, this is something new. So, okay. It's a nice small port here. So now I'm just gonna go on and see what's down there on the south of the island. Okay. Yeah, I can see the Quintos. I'll go tomorrow there. And hopefully the weather is gonna hold. So much fun. Small fishing port. Now you see they put a wall so that the big seas don't put the beach away in the winter. Water and the beach. Just a beautiful ride. This is nice. This is Poros, and in a couple hours I'm going to take a ferry to Kyllini, which is in Peloponnese. And then I'm going to take another ferry to Zakynthos, to the other island. that was worth coming from. So that's where I'm taking my ferry from, and the mainland just across there. Very nice view.